Mohammed here. This is how looks our office today. So we're going for the confined water presentations, and this is gonna be our confined water. Not bad, right? Probably it will not be really interesting for the people who don't plan to become instructors, but anyways, I will leave it here because a lot of people asking. Anyways, everybody can find something interesting for yourself. Okay, as maybe many of you knows already, I'm a course director. So basically that's the instructor who's teaching instructors, and so I'm doing regularly IDCs now during the Corona time. Yeah, so there was no chance for the people to come. So basically what I'm teaching at the moment is only the people who stuck in here, and they have some income and they planning to be instructors in the future, and they find it's a good time to do it. Instructor course, usually I do 16 days, and during the 16 days we're doing a lot of work. And the thing what you have to understand, the difference between the dive master and instructor course is that the instructor course is really intense. That means it's 16 days, we're working from the morning to until the afternoon, and there's no like a day off at all. 16 days hard work. How hard it will be, that really depends of your dive master training. So if you're doing a dive master training right now and going to do the instructor course with me, please contact me and maybe I will give some direction, so you are during your dive master course you become well prepared, so you have no stress during the IDC, because your dive master course is sometimes too flexible and sometimes you didn't get the training what you really need for instructor level. And finally we have to stress a lot, both me and you, to fill these gaps. So 16 days intense course, what we are learning during these 16 days. During these 16 days we doing theory, standard check, right? So basically I'm not teaching theory and standards anymore. That's what you should do in your dive master course. Another thing what we do is we practice knowledge presentations. Okay, basically what is a knowledge presentation? It's, let's say your student did mistake during the knowledge review or test or exam, and now you have to explain it. The next thing is confined water training. Confined water training, what we practice is briefings, debriefings, skill demonstrations, student control, and of course we do all these 24 skills what you practice in the dive master course. And the last thing what we practice is open water presentation. Briefings, control, there is no demonstration in open water anymore. Then we do debriefings, control underwater, how to conduct the skill, what to look at, how to recognize the problems. That's what all the training is about. And of course Rescue 7. Rescue 7, please make sure during your dive master course you get a really good Rescue 7 practice, because we're gonna do it here in during the instructor course, and also later on an instructor exam. Rescue 7 with pocket mask and mouse to mouse. Now at Corona time you can choose actually to do it with a pocket mask because of all this viruses and other stuff. So yeah, but definitely you have to practice it. Why actually I choose Ahmed as a training place? Because it's perfect. Just look at back of this, right? This is a place where we are doing the confined water training. If there is bad conditions, we go of course in a pool. All around here is a homestays. If you are not okay with the homestays, you can find better hotels or whatever. The price starts with I think it's like $150 a month. That's what you can get at the moment. When it's a tourism season, then of course it's like a little bit more expensive, but anyways, in a range of 200, 250, 300 US dollars per month, you can get a really good accommodation already. Food is cheap here. Like for example, if you wanna get nasi goreng, that's basically fried rice with chicken and veggies, it's gonna cost you, let's say, $2, right? So $2, $3, right? So a bottle of beer will be how much is it? 25-30,000 rupiah, which is about $2. Range of, I don't know, 2 kilometers. So many places where you can eat. Even now when it's quarantine time, almost everything is open. Even it feels it's closed, but when you go in a Varong, there's definitely someone who will cook you a really good meal, and you will be super happy about that. So 16 days is only the course. I mean, you have to plan at least 1 month to be here, fully get through this course, because probably after the instructor exam you would like to have also some specialties which we can do after the instructor exam, and it will take another 5 days. And then of course you would like to, if you came to Bali, then of course you want to see the Bali. During your instructor course you will have no time to go around the Bali and look for all these famous places, like rice pads and other stuff. So you have to concentrate this 16 days, you have to concentrate only on instructor course. So come here, or before or after the instructor course, then you can go around the island. To see the island, I think you need another 2 weeks, because the island is pretty big and we have so many interesting places to see. You have to go to the mountains. In the mountains definitely some 2-3 days. Then there is different areas in the mountains. Then we have different places, like for example, if you want to see the dolphins, then you have to go to the Lovina. Then if you're planning to surf, we have one of the best waves all around the world. Different things, right? So here in Ahmed, what we have a sea, so it's the best diving all around the Bali, and also we have a mountain, so you can do some hiking as well. So that's the attractions for Ahmed. If you're planning to move around here, you definitely need a motorbike. If you don't drive the motorbike, then it's kind of like a problem, because the distances here can be really big. I will add that video about the Ahmed beaches, and then you will get some idea how actually long is Ahmed. Ahmed is about 15 kilometers long. So yeah, more about instructor course price I will post into the description of this video, so you can check it out. There will be the link of our website. I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye!